on the planet Earth. It consists of thousands of cities and towns and many rivers and oceans. The maps, like the globes, help us in knowing the various places and convey a lot of information about the places. So students, in today's class, let's learn about maps. Suppose you want to visit Visakhapatnam or maybe Delhi or any other foreign country. How will you know where the place is located and other details of the place that you want to visit? The simple answer is maps.
Maps help us in knowing several things about many places on the earth. Where places are located, the climatic conditions, the location of water bodies, the language spoken at a particular place, and so on.
All these details are given by the maps, but different kinds of map give different kinds of details. The various details of places are given by different kinds of maps. The physical maps, historical maps, and the administrative maps are some of the different types of maps that give various details. You must have seen different kinds of maps like the map of India, map of our state, and so on. Now students, all of you turn towards your north and then look towards your east. Are you confused in finding out the 4 directions? It is actually difficult for many to understand and point out the directions, especially from a place. Here is a small exercise for you that will help you in finding out the directions easily. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, come out of your house and observe the direction in which the sun is rising. The direction in which the sun rises and you're facing is the east. Now, to find out the other directions, this is what you have to remember.
The direction behind you or the direction opposite east is west. The direction on your right hand side when you are standing towards east is south. The direction opposite to south or the direction on your left hand side will be north.
So, on the right is south, on the left is north, and the back is west. Isn't it simple? But students, remember that all these directions are relative to the direction of the sunrise, that is east. But how will you find out the directions on a map? So, how are directions marked on the map? How do we know which is the east and the west on the map? The maps are generally prepared in such a way that the north always comes on the top of the map and the south is at the bottom. So, now you can tell which is east and west.
The east is on the right side and the west is on the left. Some special maps are made in such a way that the south is on the top or on the left side.